Oh my god.
This is so wrong.
Hurry, no, before I run out of space.
I'm trying, dude. I'm trying.
Oh, it's gonna be so cold.
It's gonna be freezing.
Oh, jeez.
You ready? Here it comes, dude. Here it comes.
I should have used my real camera.
Oh my gosh, it's freezing.
Hey, if you don't eat all of it, what's the plan?
Don't move.
No flinching.
Don't move.
No flinching.
You ready? You ready? Oh my gosh.
You're sick. I want you all to know I am not partaking of the chest bowl.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Bethany, eat some. Bethany.
I think she conveniently made herself on the phone, so she did not have to eat.
Bethany, come eat this.
Wait, do we have to carry him somewhere now?
I know, you did not think this through. You have to eat it all and then drink the milk. And drink the milk.
Oh my gosh.
I'll eat one bite. I'm not doing it.
Go.
I'll have one bite.
Come on.
I can't do it.
He didn't even wash his chest first.
Drink the milk.
He did?
Yeah,
Drink the milk. What am I gonna do? Drink some milk.
Dude, give me a straw.
Oh, I'll get a straw. Oh, he's gonna lap it up. Let's get Kevin. Let's get Kevin on.
Oh my gosh.
Kevin!
Oh, I wish I could laugh harder.
No.
He's gonna scratch the
Yes, he's like evil. Evil.
Lee's here. Lee's here.
Lee, come get a bite.
Oh my god. I'm crying. I'm laughing so hard. Oh my god.
Out of that drawer so we can get rid of this milk. Noah doesn't care. Noah's a honey badger.
Oh,
Honey
jeez.
badger don't care.
Oh, I'm laughing so hard.
Oh, whoa. I was going to put this on my Facebook.
edit it out.
What are we
Yes! What? Oh my gosh.
This is getting a little too complicated. Do you know you have to squeeze the air out and then, oh.
That looks so gross.
Looks like you have like a cyst. You just got all the pus out of your
Oh my
cyst. Hey, now just give him some paper towels. I think he'll be good with some paper towels.
Alright.
Ta-da!
Oh my